Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Yolani Mpehlo, but I go by the name of Queen Yolani on all my socials. And to all the returning honeys, the Lordy Squad, welcome back to another video. So guys, judging by the title of this video, I want to show you guys items in my wardrobe that are thrifted. So I'm not saying that I went and thrifted the clothes, because if I'm scared of small street, surely I won't go thrift clothes. But if you guys know any shop, a shop where I can thrift clothes, please let me know on the comment section, because I would really love to go thrifting for myself. So maybe you're wondering, so where did you get the clothes? I got them from Thrift Connection. It's a lady that sells thrifted clothes. So she thrifts, she posts on our WhatsApp, and then when you can comment and say I want this item, she will tell you if it's still available, and then if it's available, that's when you pay the price she indicated on that picture. That is how I get my thrifted clothes, basically. Even this top that I'm wearing right now in this introduction, it is thrifted by her. I'm gonna move back my camera so you can see clearly how this top looks. I want to say something before I show you guys everything. I am a fan of red clothes. I love red clothes. So if I show you items that are red, all of them, don't judge me, because the minute I check her statuses, the first color I check is red. If she doesn't have, then I go for other colors. But in these clothes that I'm going to show you, I think it's one item that is not red. Don't judge me. But anyways, I'm gonna move back the camera so you can see this top. It's a gypsy top. This top, I love it because it's red. The thing that I don't like the most is that after I walk for some time, it starts coming back and sits here. That's the only thing I don't like about this top, but I adore it. I adore it. Let me move you back, and then after moving you back, I'm going to show you guys all the items. So yeah, let us do that. Guys, this is the gypsy top. You can make it a crop top. You can put it on top of your jean. This is how it looks at the back. Excuse my jean. This is how it looks at the back. So some people do this with the top, but I don't. I want it to stay here, and then it overlaps. That is how I like it. And yeah, this is how it sits. Basically, this is the first top of my thrifted clothes. Let me show you, well, outfit number one, because this one was just for the intro. So guys, this is outfit number one. This is a dress. Outfit number one. I bought this dress I think 2 years ago. I haven't worn it. This is the material. I feel like I need to go to a very nice date with this outfit, so hence I haven't worn it. As you can see, it's very sophisticated. It is for me. It needs heels, not flats. As you can see on the video on this side here, this is how it sits at the back. It has a strap that you can bring in front or at the back, and then the straps of the shoulders. This is exactly how it is at the back and in front. This part is at the back. So yeah, this is outfit number one. This is outfit number two, a red dress. This dress, I like it because it is very a vintage. It goes up to my knees, well, over my knees, and it has detailing here. So I think the reason why it was thrifted is because it was missing a button here, and I can't find a button that looks like this, or even here. But I do put on safety pins when I'm wearing it. It does show a bit of cleavage, so even here I did put a safety pin because like it became too much. And then the sleeves come up to here. I love this dress. I bought it a long time ago. I remember I wore it on my birthday, and that was the time I found out that I was pregnant. And honey, I looked so good with my blonde hair. So I'm going to show you guys a detailing here on the video. It does have a zip at the back. So this is how you wear it. You zip down until the end, and then you fit the dress. So guys, this is dress number 3. It also covers my knees a bit, but it does have a slit on the side. So basically it has an inner something. It's a wraparound type of dress. You can only understand it when you look at this video on my side here. The detailing on this part is what I like. So these straps used to go like that, so I removed them because I wanted them here. It's size 12, and it has a zip here at the back. And then yeah, I think it was thrifted because it had a black mark here, so it was an item that was thrifted. Please check the video on my left hand side showing you the details. I remember I wore this on my friend's birthday, and yeah, I had it for a very long time as well.
Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money.
Number 4. It's a really long dress, and it has 2 straps here at the back with a zip. I recently wore this dress to a date with a friend of mine. On my last vlog, if you see my last vlog, you'll see that I was wearing this dress. This is a size 12. It's really long and it's so red, so that's why I love it. Love it, love it, love it, because it's red. As you can see on the video, if you want to see more details about this dress, you can go on my last vlog before the makeup video. So yeah, this is the dress. Love it, love it, love it.
Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't
item on the dresses. This is the one. It might look red on the camera, but it's orange. It has buttons all over until the end. It does come, well, you'll see on the video, it has pockets over here. It has a belt. It looks very vintage, that's why I bought it. And then it has a short collar, a short, what is this thing? Yeah. Anyways, the detailing on the shoulder, it's written 42, but you can tell this dress is like old, but the person that had this dress maintained it very well. So this is the belts. So yeah guys, as you can see on the video, the detailing of this dress, it is amazing. You can go to work with it, you can go to a serious date, I don't know, but it's amazing. It's amazing, especially when you rock them heels with it.
Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weave, so thin, say it again, so thin. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
And then the last items are jackets. This is the jacket. It is red, obviously. Guys, the way I love red now, it's not fun. Guys, I've had this jacket for a very long time. This is how it looks. This is the detailing that I like on the jacket. These flaps over here. Yeah. It has a button inside, so you button this part over here and then you button this one over here. I'm always wearing this jacket at work, most of the time, not always, most of the time. And then it has that, I love this jacket. It came like this, it has never been here, so I can't say it's small. This is exactly how I got it. And it still sits the same after 3 years of having it. Yeah. Second last item. Let me show you the last item, which is also a jacket. And so this is the last one, my check jacket. I love this jacket, guys, so much. It's because of the detailing. It is check, it has gold, what is this, buttons. So I'm obsessed with this jacket. No matter what, I will wear it. I wear it all the time because having long feet, it's not doing that. This jacket, guys, it makes me look so sophisticated. This is how long it is. Let me drop down the camera because now this is how long it is. You can also button this here. I think the reason why they thrifted this jacket is because it was missing buttons. It's only missing two buttons on this side. So sometimes I hardly like button this blazer because I don't see the need, especially if I have like nice jeans and a top or a dress, and then I put this on top, then I don't need to close the jacket. So this is basically the last. This is how it looks at the back, nice and simple. Detailing on the arms, Okay, honey. Okay. Okay. Even now I can go run errands, but it's hot outside, so I don't need a jacket. That is the last item. I will see you guys on my next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment on the comment section telling me where can I go thrift clothes. Don't forget that. And also turn on your notification buttons so you can see each and every video that I post. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you on my next video, but for now, peace and love. Bye.